Hey there, that's me, Alex. Let me show you an incredible new feature, a personal avatar. Now, in just 5 minutes, you can create a digital twin that looks and sounds just like you, and use it to produce amazing content. For example, there are certain videos that absolutely require your personal touch. Add your personal avatar to sales email outreach campaigns or create an engaging leadership update video for your team. Let me tell you more about this incredible feature. First of all, personal avatars are recorded directly with the background. Space around you also tells a story. Think about this when looking for the location. You can use your hands. I gesticulate a lot, and it makes me look more real. A small tip: hold something like a book or a cup to make your movements look natural. Next, framings. Try recording avatars with different framing and poses, making your videos more dynamic. It works, right? You can record yourself in English, Spanish, German, and French. We will produce a high-quality copy of your voice in 29 languages. Next, how to create your personal avatar. It is super easy. Record yourself reading a short script with your webcam, or talk to the camera for a few minutes and upload the footage. It's time to discuss how different we are. I agree. Personal avatars are great for short, attention-grabbing videos. Your digital twin will help you build connections with your audience. Also, personal avatars give you a lot of freedom as a creator. Expressive avatars can be used in a longer format. We will help you turn any text into an engaging performance. Stock expressive avatars are perfect for multiple use cases, from classic training videos to complex roleplay scenarios. Let's make it clear that a personal avatar is a unique feature. Our enterprise clients can create as many personal avatars as they need. Users on the starter plan can create 3 personal avatars. On the creator plan, 5 avatars. You can delete the avatar and create a new one if you are not happy with the result. Your voice will be cloned together with your avatar. So, a voice clone is always included. Oh, by the way, you will find a few stock personal avatars in our library and a few new templates. Try them and create amazing videos. I know you are so good at this. So, with a personal avatar, you can create a digital twin in just 5 minutes and connect with your audience personally, sharing knowledge, ideas, or news. With the ability to use your voice in 29 languages, the avatar becomes a truly valuable twin, helping you reach everyone, anytime, anywhere.